Come on, boy.
What's up, haters? Just kidding.
The true hunter prevails.
Kinda starting to contemplate my own mortality, you know? I mean, I'm pushing 20, and that's like a bordillion in Pandora years.
Oh, no. I couldn't possibly part with it. Not right now. You'll have to destroy the mind control transmission dishes first.
Thanks to my main man, Terry, he saved my life. Come on, we gotta find him. Ah, no! Terry! They got him!
One moment. Please explain just your whole deal. I will now merge man and beast with the press of a button. Eyes on a target.
And Tina's got a special recipe, extra spicy.
What ho! Not calling you a ho, mind you. I'm quite sex positive. Just one of my many charming turns of phrase.
Woo! Hardcore parkour!
Woo! I live to taste the
Danger! Righteous.
And once she rewards me with a dreadnought, I'll have a consistent system, burning every inhabited planet I find. I've always wanted to take advantage.
Crap! We're in an asteroid field. Almost there, but I'm kind of in the middle of something. And that something is a big fucking dinosaur. Heads up! Kill it! Come on, man, you gotta kill it! Hell yeah. Now install me on the bot. I'm in. I'm alive. Ow!
Follow my lead.
Montgomery Jacobs showed me this little side entrance back in my smuggling days. Now.
What? Never mind. I definitely don't want to know what that is. Ugh. The Calypsos are broadcasting their auditions live.
now, but tyranny still reigns over Pandora. I'm talking.
Blast off in 3, 2, 1!
No!
I don't know who you are, but you're clearly a turd taco in a stank-ass tortilla.
It's us! Did you guess? Cool masks, right? Pre-order bonus. Oh, time, pledge drive.
I love you, but I'm gonna need you to back the hell off. Okay? I need my space!